amazing robot builders. Welcome back to our fantastic robotics journey. Today I'm super excited to see you here. You have all been doing an incredible job following our beginners tutorial playlist, and I want to congratulate each and every one of you for completing it. Give yourselves a big round of applause. You have shown great dedication and passion for robotics, and it's time to take your skills to the next level. That's right, we have something very special in store for you. Are you ready? I knew you would be. We are launching a brand new playlist called Intermediate Robotics that will take you on an exhilarating journey into the world of advanced robot building. In this new playlist, we will explore fascinating concepts and use cutting edge technologies to create some mind blowing robots. And guess what? We are even diving into the world of 3D printing. That's right, you heard it correctly. We will be learning all about 3D printing, one of the most exciting technologies of our time. We will show you how to design and print your own robot parts, bringing your creations to the life in a whole new ways. The possibilities are endless, my friends. Just imagine the incredible robots you will be able to build using this amazing technology. But wait, there are more. Alongside 3D printing, we will be delving into other thrilling technologies such as artificial intelligence (AI). We want to equip you with the tech knowledge and skills to create robots that can interact with their environment in incredible intelligent ways. So get ready for an action-packed playlist filled with excitement, learning and lots of fun. I promise you won't want to miss a single episode. If you enjoyed our beginners tutorial playlist, I can guarantee that the intermediate robotics playlist will blow your mind. In this playlist, we will use Bonic modules along with the B-Brain. So my amazing robot builders, I invite you to hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell and get ready to embark on this extraordinary journey with us. Thank you all for joining me today. Stay tuned for our first episode of the Intermediate Robotics playlist coming very soon. Until then, keep building, keep dreaming, and remember you have the power to change the world with your incredible robotic creations. See you in the next episode. Until then, take care and bye bye.